Bro, to me, education is a scam. So this entire education system is like a prison of mediocrity. Every time students try and do something excellent, the jailers beat them down. We wanted to start something very meaningful by which we can break through those walls of mediocrity, which is why Think School's YouTube channel exists to give people world-class business education at less than the cost of a denim jeans. We want to put a dent in the Indian education system. Except for bringing internet, I don't think the government has done anything significant to provide access to world-class education to the youth of India. Bro, if I have 3 million subscribers in 2 years and then I tell you that I've got regrets in life, I would be an idiot.